My name's Gareth Legge. I work here at Roberts Port in Norway and my role is engineering supervisor. I've done an NVQ level 3 in mechanical manufacture as a modern apprenticeship scheme. Moved on to the aircraft industry where I got further NVQ level 3s. As my role now, I've got a NVQ level 3 in electrical 18th edition, inspecting, testing and also in pneumatics. And I'm studying a degree in electrical engineering in Wrexham University. In food engineering, there's different fields of engineering, for example, electrical, pneumatics, mechanical and steam. And it's interesting going to a job every day and doing different things and learning new skills to develop yourself. A typical day at work is we'll go in and support the production staff on any breakdowns. We carry out planned or preventive maintenance work on the machines and also other tasks that involve, for example, electrical work around the site. The best thing about my job is seeing other people progress. As a role as an engineering supervisor, I'm progressing myself at the moment and I see the whole team progressing, and it's good to see that people are developing new skills. The advice I can give is to stick to it, work hard, get all the academia done as soon as possible, work with others and as part of the team to gain more skills and experience. In the food industry, we're all responsible as there's 14 allergens to be careful of, and even as an engineering team, we have to make sure that we are very careful. My favourite food is Sunday dinner, and I'd say lamb with mint sauce.